Hey guys, good evening and welcome back. Good evening and welcome back again to your Unacademy NEET English channel. I hope you are doing well. Can you quickly let me know in the chats if all of you can hear me, if I'm perfectly audible and visible to every one of you? Just let me know once in the chats quickly. Just let me know once in the chats quickly, every one of you, if all of you can hear me, if I'm perfectly audible, visible to everyone. My dear students, I would want you guys to share this particular session with every NEET because this is going to be beneficial to all the students for sure. This is going to be beneficial to all the NEET students. So give me some green signal in the chats. If I'm perfectly audible, visible, I think yes. All right. So first of all, I'm not well, so that's why I would be sounding a bit low. Sorry for that. Okay. So first of all, I mean, there would be a lot of students right now in the state thinking that something would happen. Re-NEET is not going to happen. If, in the Supreme Court, there are cases also filed, right? Cases related to that re-NEET should not happen. It should only happen to those states wherein this leakage of paper, this presence of guest paper was found, right? But let me tell you very honestly, my dear student, at the end, it's going to come in the favor of NTA only, okay? So just mark this thing in words. Mark my words for that. It's going to come in the favor of NTA only. So they will make you write the NEET examination for sure. Now, first of all those students who are thinking when this re-NEET examination is going to happen, let me tell you, it is going to take almost 4 to 6 weeks. From today, it's going to take 4 to 6 weeks for the re-NEET 2026 to happen. Okay? Just keep that thing in mind. Just keep that thing in mind. Am I properly not audible to you? Just a second. Just a second. I think it's perfectly fine now, yeah? Yes, it is going to take 4 to 6 weeks for sure for the re-NEET examination to happen again. Okay? So you can mark the timeline accordingly and start your preparation accordingly. There is nothing left, guys. So again, I'm telling you, if you think that this re-NEET won't happen, there is a case filed in Supreme Court. Whatever cases are filed in the Supreme Court against NTA, let me tell you, it's going to be in the favor of NTA at the end. Trust me on that. Okay? Trust me on that. I cannot say it more elaborately here on the national platform, but it's going to come in the favor of NTA only for sure. So we have to accordingly prepare ourselves for re-NEET examination. So as I told you in my yesterday's session, you need not to worry. I know it's going to be really difficult for you to start again, but you have to start. Okay, there is no option left. You have to start your preparation again. It is going to be hard for sure. I know that. I know that if I was at your state, definitely it would have been like harder for me to kickstart the preparation again. I know it's going to be hard. You must be thinking right now that I don't remember anything in bio, in physics, in chemistry. How, from where I should start? What should I do? These would be the thoughts in your mind at this point of time. There would be few more thoughts in your mind, I'm pretty much sure. What if in the re-NEET examination the same thing happens, right? All those things, I believe, would be in your mind at this point of time. But this is not the time, my dear students, to give space to these thoughts. Okay, this is not the time to give space to these thoughts. Okay, this is not the time to give space to these thoughts. If you give space to these thoughts at this particular point of time, then the re-NEET examination, right, you won't be doing good in that particular examination. Okay, so keep that thing in mind first. All right. Someone is saying, sir, your volume is low. Am I audible to everyone? Can you all hear me? I think it's perfect. Guys, voice is clear. I think you need to raise the volume of your phone. Yeah, it's all clear. You need to raise the volume of your phone. Just press the volume up button. It's all clear. I saw it from my phone itself. So people, leave it. Whatever happened, leave it. Okay, let's kickstart our preparation again. As I told you in my yesterday's session, that again, I will be completing your entire syllabus of physics, chemistry, biology on this particular channel free of cost. Okay, you don't have to pay for it. It's going to be free for all. Okay, so I'll be giving you a complete schedule basically for the first 10 days starting from tomorrow itself. Since I told you in my yesterday's session, let's start from Monday. But I believe let's not waste any days from today itself. So let's start the journey from tomorrow itself. Okay, let's start the journey from tomorrow itself. So I have prepared a plan for all of you for the upcoming 10 days starting from tomorrow. And once these 10 days are over, I'll give you one more plan for the upcoming more 10 days. Perfect. And I'm assuring you that we'll be completing your entire syllabus of physics, chemistry, biology once again on this particular channel, right? And with that, there'll be question practice sessions as well. You need not worry. We are going to be with you throughout this journey. I know it's painful. I know that, right? I know that it's painful. You don't need to tell me about that. I know how you would be feeling at this particular point of time. But there is, again, I'm telling you, there is no option left. We can do nothing about it. We can do nothing about it. You can do nothing. I can do nothing about it. We have to start preparation again, right? Okay? And do not give space to those thoughts, which I told you earlier. What if the same thing happens in the Re-NEET examination? Okay? Do not give space to those thoughts. Do not think about the consequences. Let's focus on these 40, 45 days, right? Let's focus them. Let's make sure that we utilize our time in the proper direction in the upcoming 40 to 40 days. That should be 40 to 45 days. That should be our priority at this particular point of time. Now, let me give you the complete plan for the upcoming 10 days, which we are going to start from tomorrow on this particular channel. My dear students, on this particular channel from tomorrow, we are going to start the preparation again. Okay? So it's going to be complete syllabus completion. Let me give you the complete syllabus completion schedule for the Re-NEET 2026, which is free for all. And all the sessions will be happening on this particular channel, Unacademy NEET English channel. And at the same time, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, I would recommend you guys to subscribe to the channel right now. And before giving the schedule, my dear students, I would want you guys to join this Telegram channel as well. Okay, this is Wassim Bhat Chemistry Official. Wassim Bhat Chemistry Official is the name of the Telegram channel on which I keep on posting all the important information, all the session PDFs, right? All the handwritten session PDFs, all the question practice things I keep on sharing on this particular Telegram channel. So if you're not the part of Telegram channel yet, be the part of Telegram channel right now. So you do not miss any single update related to your preparation. So, my dear students, from tomorrow we are starting. From tomorrow we are starting, okay? Since you know all the series which we started on this channel, I used to start the sessions from, like I used to be the one who used to take the first session, but this time I'm not going to take the first session because of some personal engagements, right? So tomorrow, that is Thursday, 7 p.m., you are going to have the session. Thursday, 7 p.m., you are going to have the session, which is going to be complete class 11th zoology. So your class 11th zoology will be complete in 2 sessions. Complete class 11th zoology will be complete in 2 sessions. Duration of each session is going to be 5 to 6 hours, right? So tomorrow you have got 1 session for that. And at the same time, on Saturday at the same time, 7 p.m., it's again class 11th zoology part 2. So in these 2 sessions, we'll be completing your entire zoology revision. Okay, number 1. Number 2, on Friday at 10 a.m., right? There'll be a session of complete class 11th organic. Entire organic chemistry of class 11th, GOC, isomerism, hydrocarbons, IUPAC, everything, right? That will be completed on Friday. And this is again going to be live session, which will be started exactly at 10 a.m. Okay. My dear students, Saturday's schedule, I told you already, it's complete class 11th zoology. Perfect. Then on Sunday, we are not going to keep any class. On Monday at 10 a.m., it's going to be complete class 11th physics part 1. Your class 11th physics will be done in 2 sessions, right? And this is the first session of your complete class 11th physics part 1. That will be happening on Monday. On Tuesday, my dear students, at 10 a.m., I will be taking a session in which I'll be doing your complete class 11th physical chemistry. On Tuesday at 10 a.m. Perfect. Let me tell you, duration of this session will be almost 12 hours. Duration of this particular session will be 12 hours. Duration of this particular session will be 6 hours. Duration of this particular session will be 12 hours. Duration of this particular session will be 6 hours. And all these sessions will be happening on this particular channel. Okay. My dear students, this is your one more opportunity to complete your entire syllabus from the basics only. We are going to cover all your theory in these marathons. It is just our speed will be comparatively fast because all the syllabus we have to complete in just 2 to 3 sessions, right? Of our individual subjects. Perfect. So basically we'll teach little fast. Our speed will be comparatively fast. Okay. Perfect. And my dear students, at the same time, so on Tuesday, it's going to be class 11th complete physical chemistry, right? 12-hour session that's going to be. Similarly, Wednesday 7 p.m. Wednesday 7 p.m. it's going to be complete class 12 zoology part 1. Duration of this session will be 6 hours. On Tuesday 10 a.m. it's going to be complete class 12th organic chemistry. Duration of this particular session will be almost some 10 hours, right? Friday there will be no session. Saturday it's going to be complete class 12th physics part 1. And Sunday at 10 a.m. it's going to be complete class 11th in organic chemistry. Duration of this particular session will be almost some 7 hours, right? Duration of this particular session will be more than that. It will be some 10 to 12 hours for sure. This is, my dear students, the schedule for the upcoming 10 days. And once we are done with these 10 days, then I'll give you the schedule for upcoming more 10 days. Perfect. So basically your entire syllabus, once again, we are completing in 20 days starting from tomorrow. 20 days, my dear students. 20 days, we are in just 20 days, your entire syllabus of PCB, we are completing from tomorrow. Perfect. If you are looking for revision, these sessions are for you, right? If you have got some sessions pending, if you have got some chapters pending which you had not studied for the earlier examination, perfect, no need to worry. All those things will be covered in these sessions, okay? And my dear students, once we are done with these 10 days, after that, I'll give you the schedule for upcoming 10 days as well. I'll give you the remaining session schedule, right? And accordingly, you can follow these sessions. Perfect. And at the same time, I'll keep on providing you the DPPs. I'll keep on providing you the DPPs on the Telegram channel that I gave you a few minutes back. Okay. So you need to practice those DPPs as well so that you remain on track. Perfect. Perfect, guys. Entire syllabus. This is just the schedule for 10 days. Perfect. Other schedule for the remaining more 10 days that I'll be providing to you, that will be giving to you once we complete these 10 days first. Right? Once we complete these 10 sessions, after that there'll be 10 more sessions. Perfect. In those 10 more sessions, we'll be completing your botany also, your 12th inorganic also, right? Class 11th physics part 2 also, class 12th physics part 2 also. Perfect. You need not worry. Similarly, class 12th physical chemistry also. There will be 10 more sessions, my dear students. So in 20 days, I'll try to complete your entire syllabus of PCB once again, right? And once we are done with the syllabus completion, then there will be rigorous question practice, right? So there will be sessions like top 500 most expected questions of physical, top 500 most expected questions of inorganic, top 500 most expected questions from class 11th physics, right? Those sessions will be taken after that, once we are done with the syllabus completion. So let's follow the complete process. Perfect. So let's complete the syllabus first for the upcoming some 15 to 20 days. After that, it's going to be the rigorous question practice for 20 more days, my dear students, on this channel, and it's going to be free for all. It's going to be free for all. A lot of students are again asking about the Telegram channel link. My dear students, this is the Telegram channel. This is the name of the Telegram channel. You can search it out. It is WASSIMBHAT Chemistry Official. Wassim Bhat Chemistry Official is the name of the Telegram channel on which I'll keep on sharing the handwritten PDFs, on which I'll keep on sharing the DPPs of every session, which you will be solving. My dear students, I know it's going to be very difficult. Okay? You have to give again 12 to 14 hours every single day to your studies. But that is the only option left. We have got nothing left in our hands basically, apart from all this. Perfect? And I will assure you, the content which you will be getting in these sessions, it must be the quality content. I'll assure you that. The questions which you'll be getting in these sessions, they are going to be the quality questions for sure. They are going to be one level up. Don't worry about that. Because we know whenever NTA does the Re-NEET examination, definitely they are going to keep the difficulty level of the paper slightly higher. So we'll train you in that manner only. You don't worry about anything. Perfect? We are going to teach you one level up in these sessions here only. Perfect? Okay? I told you botany will be also done. How many times should I tell you guys? Just listen to me very carefully what I'm saying. I told you once we are done with these sessions, once we are done with these 10 sessions, after that there'll be 10 more days. After that there'll be 10 more days wherein we'll be doing the remaining things. Like your complete class 11th botany, complete class 12th botany, right? Similarly, class 11th physics part 2, class 12th physics part 2, class 12th physical chemistry, class 12th inorganic chemistry. Those will be done in the other 10 days. First, let us complete these 10 days. And after that, the remaining 10 days, after that, we'll be completing the other sessions too. You need not to worry about it. Okay? You need not to worry. So technically, we are keeping 20 days for the syllabus completion, right? And in these 20 days, the first 10 days schedule I have given you right now, and the remaining 10 days schedule I'll be giving you after a few days, once we are done with these marathons first. Okay? Perfect. So we would require some 20 sessions to complete your entire syllabus of PCB, right? So these 10 days schedule I have provided to you, and these 10 days I'll be providing to you after few days. Okay? Every single thing will be from basics only. You need not to worry. I'm telling you. Every single thing will be teaching from basics. Don't worry about anything. Every single thing will be teaching from basics only. Don't worry. Don't worry. Perfect. We are going to focus on quality theory as well as quality problems as well. Tomorrow's class timing is 7 p.m. in the evening, right? In the evening, 7 p.m. Duration of tomorrow's session is not going to be long. It's going to be like 5 to 6 hours. Ma'am will be completing her lecture in 5 to 6 hours tomorrow. Do join the session from tomorrow itself. Let's kickstart our journey from tomorrow itself and make sure we make these 40 to 45 days which are left for Re-NEET examination very, very, very productive. Perfect. But I would want you guys to be consistent throughout these days which are left, because my dear students, I'll be assuring you, you are going to get benefited from the sessions which we are going to take till the Re-NEET 2026. And one thing that is going to keep me motivated, one thing that is going to keep you motivated, I would want one thing in the comment section of this video, that is doctor followed by your name, right? That's something which will tell me that you have not lost the hope. You are still in the process and you are not thinking about the consequences, what will happen, what not to happen, right? You are just focusing on 10 to 4 of these 40 to 50 days which are left for Re-NEET. Perfect. So I would want this thing in the comment section of this particular video. Doctor followed by your name, right? Not in the chats though, in the comment section of this particular video. I'll see all your comments, my dear student. Perfect. That is something which will tell me, yes, you are alive and you are ready to kickstart your preparation from tomorrow again. You are ready to make sure that you shoot the bullseye when it comes to the remaining 40 to 45 days till the Re-NEET examination. Okay. Again, I'm repeating, entire syllabus of physics, chemistry, biology will be completing on this channel. After that, there will be a rigorous question practice. My dear students, every single session will be starting from basics only, zero only. You need not to worry about anything. We are here with you till this Re-NEET happens. And we'll make sure we give our best, you give our best, and together we are going to kill it for sure. Okay? I don't need this doctor followed by name in the chats. I want this in the comment section of this particular. Perfect. So my dear students, tomorrow, your first session is already live. Tomorrow, exactly at 7 p.m., it's going to be complete class 11th zoology part 1. Be there on time from tomorrow. Let's not waste even a single day from tomorrow. Okay? Irrespective of the fact what was your score in the NEET 2026 examination, leave that aside. Leave that aside. If it was 300, 400, 500, does not matter. Right? Let's kickstart again. And let's make sure there should be only one thing in our mind, that we have to crack it again. We have to crack it again. And whatever it takes for this examination to crack for the remaining 40 to 45 days, I'll be providing you all the material here on this particular channel as well as on my Telegram. Whatever it requires. Perfect. It is just you have to be consistent, you have to be focused, you have to be disciplined throughout these 40 to 45. It's going to be a very, very, very tough journey, but I know you guys are going to do it. And if you are doing it, that means I am doing it. Okay? So with this, I'll be taking leave. And one more thing. I know a lot of students would be thinking about the tests also. I know that. Don't worry. I'm talking to Unacademy management, right? I'll be coming up with something related to your test series as well. That should be also free for everyone. Don't worry. I'm in talks to the management right now. I'll make sure you get some test series also. Okay? Perfect. Chalo, I'm going to take a leave with this, but this is something which I would need in the comments. Right now, 800 people are watching me live. I would want 800 comments right after this session. Okay? Take care, guys. Bye-bye. God bless you all.